Om Namo Venkateshaya. In this video, I will explain you how to book direct rooms at Tirumala Tirupati and also the registration counters available there at various places. If you have already booked your rooms online, your tickets will be scanned at Alipiri checkpoint, and within half an hour of your scanning, you will get one SMS. In that SMS, they have mentioned you where you have to go and contact to book the rooms, and you have to reach that place within 1 or 1.5 hours, otherwise your rooms will be cancelled, and then you reach there and book rooms accordingly. If you want to book direct rooms at down Tirupati, two places are there. One is at Alipiri checkpoint itself, and the other one is at Srivari JU office. Whoever wants to go by foot pathway can book their rooms at JU office, which is very near to Srivari. These two places are at down Tirupati, the booking registration office actually. If you are going by car through roadways, after reaching Tirumala bus station will come. There itself one registration counter is there, and the opposite side of the Tirumala bus station, CRO office will be there. That is the main room booking office. You can book your rooms there also. The third one is at JU office. These three places are easily accessible who are coming by car. If you are coming by APSRTC bus, this is the place, that is, this is the Rambakija bus stand, the last bus stop at Tirumala Tirupati. There itself registration counter is there. This is very easy to access actually. Before this bus stand, 2 minutes before this bus stand, Kaustubam guest house also there. We can book rooms there also. But this is very convenient. After getting down the bus, there itself booking counter is there. 50 rupees room, 100 rupees room, 1000 rupees rooms are available. One person from the family can book the rooms, that is take the room in his name. They have to show the ID card, that is Aadhaar card or voter ID here, and book the room. One person is not allowed to stay. Maximum 4, 5 or 6 also, it is our choice. We can stay in one room, but we have to mention, we have to tell that at the time of registration, so that he will allocate the room as per that actually. And again I'm saying you, even 4 5 people also can stay in one room. It is purely our choice, but we have to mention that at the time of registration. After this registration, he will give you one slip like this. In that slip, they will mention your name, mobile number, and the rules and regulations, and also the Aadhaar card or any voter ID, the number of that Aadhaar card in invisible, that is XXXX, like that they will mention. So this slip they will give you. Keep the slip safely. At the time of booking, we have to give actually. After, otherwise, that is within 15 minutes or maximum 30 minutes, you will get one SMS like this. In that SMS, they will mention you the room which they have allotted for you, and you have to contact there within 1 hour, otherwise your room will be cancelled. So after getting this SMS, you leave this registration office. After getting the SMS, reach the room mentioned in the SMS within 1 hour. That is maximum 1 hour you take. Don't delay more than that. They will cancel your registration. So this room mentioned, for me they have allotted Rambakija guest house, which is exactly opposite to this Rambakija bus stand. If you don't know the place of the guest house, you can ask the jeep drivers available there, or if you know Google map, you can search and reach the place. Then after booking, means at the time of booking, they will send you the SMS like this. You have to show the slip and book the room. I booked 100 rupees room actually. That time it was available. So based on availability, they will allot you room actually. This is Rambakija guest house. Here I paid 500 rupees as caution deposit and 100 rupees room rent. Mostly they will expect us to pay cashless transaction, that is credit card or debit card. But for me, they have asked me cash only. I paid 500 rupees cash, and at the 24 hours only we are allowed to stay. Rooms are available for only 24 hours. At the time of vacating, they will return you the cash 500 rupees, or if you are paid by credit card or debit card, they will return the cash deposit to your bank account. Here they are giving the Dana Prasadam, which I have mentioned in my playlist already, that is the coins which you are putting in the hundi, temple hundi, main temple hundi. They are not able to change that coins at bank, so they are giving the money to us itself in this way actually. This, that is, while getting the caution deposit, I got 300 rupees as cash and 200 rupees as this Dhanaprasadam. I will explain you in detail later about this Dhanaprasadam. And I also got incense sticks also. I will explain you where we have to go and get the incense sticks available there. Actually, different varieties are available. And the prasadam of Kalyan or some tickets, that also I will share with you. So this is the process of booking rooms directly at Tirumala Tirupati. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.